In this tutorial, we will go over how to log into the Zoom desktop client if you've installed it on your MacBook computer. So first, you're going to want to download and install Zoom. Here I'm on the Zoom installer page for Mac OS. A link to this installer page will be provided in the description of this video, as well as its related tutorial page. Once you have Zoom installed, you can minimize your web browser. From here, you're going to want to navigate your mouse to the dock station for your MacBook. This kind of looks like a toolbar, and it's normally found at the bottom of your screen if you bring your cursor all the way down. From here, you can see all of your open applications. You're going to want to look for the Launchpad button here. This is how you can get to all of your installed programs on your MacBook. Once you click it, go to the search bar at the top and type in Zoom. Click the Zoom icon that appears. A window for the Zoom desktop client will appear. From here, you're going to want to hit the Sign On button. Now enter in your Access BCC username. Next, add @bristolcc.edu. This is also known as your student email. Next, put in your Access BCC password. You'll want to make sure Keep Me Signed In is checked off, then hit the blue Sign In button. It's going to open up your web browser. If it doesn't immediately do this, click the blue Continue button that appears. You will be brought to the official Access BCC login page. Now enter in your username and password once more. Next, hit the green Sign In button. Next, choose one of the security verification options and proceed to enter the code that applies. When it says, do you want to allow this page to open zoom.us.app, make sure to hit Allow. This will bring you back into the Zoom desktop client program. Now, I am signed into the Zoom desktop client. I can tell this by clicking the initials in the upper right-hand corner. I will see an abbreviated version of my Bristol email. I can get to the online version of my Zoom account by clicking My Profile. To update settings through the web browser. I can also check for updates and adjust settings from within the desktop client. This includes video settings, audio, share screen, and many more. This concludes logging into the Zoom desktop client on a MacBook computer. The remaining part of this tutorial will show you how to unlock the ability to screen share. One additional step, if you are a Mac user and you intend to share your screen during a Zoom, would be to update your security settings. To update your security settings, you're going to want to hit the Apple icon in the far upper left-hand corner of your screen. Next, you want to go to System Preferences. This area may look different depending on which version of the Mac OS you currently have installed on your computer, but you're going to want to find the Security and Privacy option. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down until you see the Screen Recording or Screen Sharing option. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see the available applications that may want permission to use and screen record. In order to enable Zoom, click on the lock icon, and then enter in the password that unlocks your Mac computer. From here, you'll be able to adjust your settings. For example, initially Zoom might be unchecked. Simply check it off. Once you've done this, make sure to hit Quit and Reopen. This will quit the Zoom desktop client and reopen it. Don't worry, you'll still be logged in. Before I close out this menu by hitting the red X, I'm going to relock these settings. Simply hit the lock icon. If you did not hit Quit and Reopen, you can always come into the Apple icon and hit Force Quit, check off Zoom, and force quit it. And the next time you open it, using the Launchpad, you'll be able to screen share. If the steps I showed to unlock the ability to screen share do not align with your current Mac OS, I'm going to be providing a link to a tutorial provided by zoom.us on how to do so for your Mac computer. Please check the link in the description of the video or the tutorial page.